down his body. Then I can come, as I come over the top, my fingers can dive inward and medially. Now there is this large bulk here from the erector spinae muscles. I can't help that, but where my fingers kind of stop, where they're stopping right there, that's probably his transverse process line as well. That can help you as a therapist to visualize just about how far away from the spinous processes his transverse processes are, and when you're proceeding inferiorly for the transverse processes, okay? The other thing you can always do is you can count off. You found T1, 2, 3. I'm interested in finding rib 3. So I come off the edge about 1 inch. Rule of threes says it should be around the same level because I'm on T3. I can try to confirm that, and then I come just lateral, and that's where the rib angle should be, just lateral to that. And you can see how my thumb on top here, coming over the top, and now it's diving inward and medially. So I know that's the rib angle there. And if I wanted to confirm that's rib 3, I'd keep my hand on the spinous process of T3. And as I push anteriorly, I should feel the spinous process move with it, but it's not going to be as soon or as prominent as if I was on the transverse process of T3. Does that make sense to everyone why we see that anatomically? All right, good. So that's how you're going to be localizing rib angles, and you can just kind of play with those throughout the line and continue to reinforce what we've done the first couple of times. But for this alternative method here to find T11, the first thing you got to do is you got to find the top of the iliac crest and where the bottom of that 12th rib would be. And so you can very easily, you can find the top of the iliac crest. You're going to get your kind of 2 fingers in there. And the first thing it's telling you is if you put your fingers inferiorly, you can find the superior ridge of his ilium and be right on that. And then just turn your fingers the other way to try to engage where his 12th rib would be. Which for me, I feel like I hit this firm, hard, like I don't want to lift anymore once my fingers are there. So then once I found that, I can follow that rib laterally until where are you, buddy? I think I might be on rib 11 because it's too, I think it feels almost too wide. Starting over. Okay. It's a little difficult to palpate on Garrett there, but I think that's the edge of T12 right there, because I can kind of go around it. Does that feel, probably doesn't feel so great to you, Garrett. So once I found that, I can proceed medially on it until it disappears. The rib's going to disappear right here as I come up over the rib angle right there. It's going to disappear, and that's when I'm going to come straight in. And then I should be right in between T12 and T11. 11, 12. Yeah, I think that's T12 right there, and that's T11. We're going to be doing lumbar in a few minutes.